Hey folks, this is Keith Harlan Brown Jr., the Texas Music Man from Fort Worth, Texas. I got a song here that I wrote for a friend of mine just about, about 4 or 5 months ago. His name is Scoot Drescher, real good friend of mine. Went up and watched the show with him with Town Walsh, Shelby Ballinger, and Brian Adams Joyner, John Willis, Bo Foster, whole bunch of real good friends. We all got together, did a show up Pilot Point, Texas here just about a week ago, and this is fantastic. But I wrote this song especially for Scoot because the only time he likes to ride a motorcycle is when the rain is falling. So I'm going to go ahead and play this for you right now. Clouds fill in the sky, it's thunder rolling like a picture's behind. Rain is falling, water's on the rise. The fire of my motorcycle, Lord, I'm ready to ride, and I ride on through the storm. Hiding from the rain, I ride to the eye of the hurricane, and I ride. They think I'm crazy, lately I'm insane. Take on Mother Nature, rolling on no big train, and I ride. Ride on through the storm. Hide from the rain, I hide to the eye of the hurricane, and I ride. Don't go away, hang around another day. I know I found my place when I feel the rain in my face, and I ride on through the storm. When everybody else is hiding from the rain, I ride to the eye of the and I ride on through the storm. Yes, I ride on through the storm. I hope you enjoyed that. Be looking for me, John Willis, Scoot Drescher, Francie K. Sparkles, Shelby Ballinger. Be watching for us. We're going to be doing some really cool shows this year in the great state of Texas, and we're looking forward to hearing from you. God bless. Love you all. Thank you very much.